Welcome back, friends, to another video. In today's video is an unboxing of a special box right here. So if you want to see what's in this month's box and hear all the information, stay tuned. So if you're new to my channel, if you don't know, I get the Catladybox gifted to me in PR, which I'm so excited about. I want to thank the brand so much for sending my way. I really love this box each month. My cats love getting it each month, and I really am grateful that they added me to the PR list. So this is the November box. If you want to see any more videos, there should be some in the iCards running through the video, as well as in the playlist link down below for Catladybox. So here's a sneak peek of the box before we get started. So let's see what this month's theme is all about and all the information. Before I forget, there is 2 Catladybox you can subscribe to. There is the Crazy Catladybox, which you get 2 cat toys in, and then there's the regular Catladybox if your cat doesn't play with toys and they don't get no toys. And I really love this box. I get the Crazy Catladybox. My cats love the toys. They always play with them, and they seem to really enjoy them. So can't wait to film them for y'all, to show y'all what they look like playing. I love showing you them, so make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to see them. And now let's see what this month's theme is all about. So the first thing is the little postcard. Usually an artist they pick makes a print for them. It's just so cute. It looks like a cat jumping over the water bowl. They always do that. They always knock things over. You know, it's so cute. So this theme is bad cats. That's a cute theme. And here's a sneak peek of what everything's in there. So the artist is up here, their information about you know, them. And then at the bottom they usually say where they donated, which I really love this box for doing that. They donate to cat shelters. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 listed, and there's a plus 11 more, which I'm so grateful that they do that, because you know, some shelters need you know, help with things. And then they also at the bottom say, if you show your picture, just put the hashtag Catladybox and catladyboxday to be, you know, shouted out on their channel and stuff. So I always do that. Also in this box, they do give a shirt, which I always love the shirts. They're so comfy. I wish I wore one, but I wasn't thinking about it. To show you what the shirts look like on and stuff. But yeah, let's get on with the unboxing. Before I go to the unboxing, they always close it with this cute little sticker. And sometimes if you get somebody who packs the box and forgets to do that, usually you get a free sticker on there. So now let's see what this month's box looks like. So let's see what we got. So I'm going to start with the cat toys. These are so cute. So we got the flopping flower, which is a vase. You know, cats usually knock things down a lot. So here's a little picture. It looks like Binksers. But there is catnip in it. And on the back it says, flopping flower catnip toy. Finally, a vase your kitty can knock over and go bonkers for. This is $5.99. And that's so cute. And they definitely knock down vases a lot. So he will love that. So this month they only have one cat toy, but they use a bit two. The other one's for them. So we'll talk about that when we get to it. But I love their cat toys. There are some around the house. Usually you'll see them in other videos when I do post them playing. They're all around and they seem to really enjoy them. And the catnip is really good. They seem to last very long, so it's really good. Hopefully he doesn't chew this flour off. Hopefully it's in there pretty good. He does chew a lot, so we'll see how long this lasts. But hopefully it does. And again, stay tuned to the end of the video to see him play with it. So the next thing is these cat sticker set, which I love stickers. I was so excited to get these in these little packs. So I'm going to read about why I'm opening it. Slap these stickers anywhere and let them do the talking. Indoor use only. It's $6.99, and they're called the Catitude sticker set. So we got one that says, I'm doing Meow Best. I love the rainbow on the back. We got another one that says Catitude. And then we got the last one that says, my cat has no regrets. Look at his face. Yeah, they knock something over. They look at you and they don't care. They're like, I don't care. I'm knocking that over. We have this little shelf. I don't know if y'all have saw it, if y'all are new to my channel, but I usually show it off when like during Christmas or Halloween when we decorate it. But that little shelf over the fireplace, it used to be a fireplace, but they blocked it off. But there's still that shelf, so we use it like for decorations and stuff. If we have decorations on there, sometimes my cat just like getting up there and they'll knock something down. So usually we find in the morning, or if we at the end of the day, we'll find some of the decorations on the floor, so we had to pick them back up and set them on there. But these are so cute stickers. I can't wait to use them. I might use them with my journal page or something along those lines. I can't wait to use them. If I do use them on the journal page, you will see it in my video coming soon. So we got 4 more items left. The next item is so cute. It's this cute little keychain. I love this. It's so cute. So this says, your keys just found their perfect match with this adorable kitty keychain. It's $9.99. And again, I don't know if you can buy these separately or not. Just check out their shop. But this is so good quality. It's like a little bit heavy, but it's a cute little cat. And here's what little card it was on. Looks like so cute. I love they and you can also this is a great gift idea. So if you have a cat lover in your life, since holidays are coming up, I really recommend this box to them if you have a cat lady lover in your life. This would be like the perfect gift. And you can also like separate the box if you can't use everything, or if you just want to be generous and share them to your friends and family, you can. I always share them to my mom or sister when I get things. If I have something that I might not use a lot of, but they might, I always gift it to them, and they seem to really appreciate it. So let's get on with the next item. So the next item is in this little plastic. So I'm going to read it. So we got the nice or naughty cat mat. Some days bring sass, others bring sweetness. What kind of day is your cat having? This is $17.99. Now, let me get it open to show you what it looks like. It's so soft. So it's one of these little cat mats. So it's cool because it's flippable. So you got, this cat is nice. And then if they're being bad, you put, this cat is naughty. That's so cute. And if you saw the previous unboxing of my Catladybox, sorry, I'm sitting on the floor for one of my cats to see. We got a mat in another box, and it's shaped as like a stamp. And I have it on top of the dryer because the dryer's in my room. So I usually do, like right before I go to bed, I'll turn on the dryer to warm up the like area and stuff, and to warm up that mat some. And Binks will sleep on that during the night, and it's really good. He likes that mat. He loves sleeping on it during the winter times because usually does have a little bit of like a fuzziness to it, like that mat. But I just put it on top of the dryer, and he seems to really enjoy it. And he's on there now on the mat. I might put a clip in the next clip to show you him on it. So stay tuned to the next clip. I hope you love that clip. I just wanted to show you after the clip since I was talking about the mat. He seemed to love it. It's on the nice side right now, but he seemed to like that mat. So the next item, which is so cute. So this is kitty mitten oven mitts. Look at this, it's so cute. Their little paws. So it says protect your people paws while whipping up something meowsing or meowless. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Meowless. In the kitchen, it's $15.99. Now, let's see, I might have it on the wrong hand. There's only 4 fingers, so I think, usually we use, if you have it in there, you might not can get your fingers up there, like in there, because look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get 4 of your fingers in there, you might can grab something. Your thumb's not going to be in there. But these are so cute. And they can also be like, what we usually do with some of these, we use the big ones as like pot holders kind of way. So, I mean, not pot holders, like bowl holders. Like if we put them out, get them out of the microwave, we just set them on there. Oh, that's so cute. And you can also, give these as a gift, like a baking kit, like all cat related things if you're really a cat lady. I think I'm gonna keep these and put them in the kitchen. They're so cute. I like them, and I like that they're black because I do have a black cat. So now let's get on with my favorite part of the unboxing, which usually is the shirt. So let's talk about what the shirt looks like and show you what it looks like. And usually the shirt's very soft. I usually get a large if you want to know. I get a large just so I can give it to my sister. She usually can fit it because it's like a little bit oversized, which I really liked. But that's up to you, whatever your preference is. You can get an extra large if you like really oversized, but mine's like a little bit, like mine's like oversized on my sister. It fits her normally. So that's up to you. Maybe just go up one size higher. Usually I'm a large or a medium. It depends on what the shirt quality is. But let's talk about it, what it looks like. So it is a black t-shirt, but it says Bad Cat live at midnight. Oh my god, it's so cute. And it says 3 a.m. zoomies. I'm gonna read it before I show you. Meowing for no reason, scratching the night away, bed hog boogie, late night litter skitter, breakfast beggars at Ballin, sneaky paws and Brooklyn laws, how if you want to, chasing shadows. I can't wait to show my mom and stepdad this. Look at his face. He's playing the guitar. There's one of the drums behind them, but that's what it looks like. That's so cute. I love that. I love his face on the front. He has his tongue sticking out. He looks like Kiss or something. And there's another one. But like the one in the back looks like he's like struggling to play the guitar. And then there is people at the bottom. This looks like a band t-shirt, if you go to a band concert, you could just wear the cat one. Somebody will know. It says Bad Cats on it. So cute. I love it. Yeah. I think this is a cool one that goes good with the theme of this month. And, you know, I like how it has naughty or nice on there, you know, for the Christmas holiday. I can't wait to see what the December one is going to be themed. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And I love this month's box. So I think the next clip will be Binks playing with a little flower, if I can get him to play with it. Hopefully he does good with this flower top. So I'm going to do that. And I'll quickly do a recap, and then I'll show him playing it. So stay tuned for that. Until the next clip. So the recap is we got the t-shirt, the oven mitts, the cute cat toy, a keychain, and 3 stickers in the sticker pack. So that's all we got. I really love this month's box, and then also you could use the postcard as, like, you can send this to somebody. You can like put paper or something over this, or, you know, do a DIY and make like a postcard out of it. You can keep it. Sometimes we frame these. Sometimes what I do is put them in my journal page. If there's like a print that I really want to use, I'll cut it out and put it on my journal page. But it's up to you, whatever you want to do. You know, you can collect them all and put them like in something like collage or something. It's up to you. But I really love them. I love keeping them each month, and the artisans are really good at drawing designs for the theme. So I'm going to quickly get this tag off so Binks don't go crazy, and then I'll show you him playing.